about the Easter Bunny, I just heard it and then it sneaked. And then he went back out.
Did you hear him and what did you say?
I said, where's that Easter Bunny? Oh, and I said, that's the Easter Bunny? Oh, yeah. It's the Easter Bunny.
What did the Easter Bunny do?
I was learning about the things he was bringing, and I was learning about him.
What kinds of things was he bringing?
He was bringing my things for the Easter things, so I was dreaming about those. I was dreaming about that thing about candy. I was dreaming about that and Easter eggs and my basket. He bring.
Okay, cool.
And I was dreaming about Easter, the head